Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Like a Native. Today, we're gonna learn some of the most important English words you need and use every day around you in your house. The first place you meet when you enter your house is the hall. The hall. At the hall, you will see door, doormat, coat rack, coat, keys, shoes, shoe rack, umbrella, table, clock, mirror, picture, light switch, chair, rug. After that, you will enter the living room, and here are the things that you'll meet in the living room: sofa, cushion, DVD, carpet, table, radiator, fruit, newspaper, radio, letters, stairs, pegs, telephone, window, pictures, television, lamp, remote, magazines, plant. The next room you'll meet in your house is the bedroom, and here are the things that you'll find in your bedroom: bed, duvet, comb, sheet, rug, wardrobe, television, chest of drawers, mirror, brush, lamp, pictures, toys, clothes, socks, toys, shoes, guitar, books, scarf. And the fourth room and the final one you would meet in your house is the bathroom. And here are the things that you find and use in your bathroom: bath, soap, tap, toilet paper, toothbrush, water, toilet, sponge, basin, shower, towel, toothpaste.